In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post in a Skool community group. This is really useful if you've shared something by mistake, posted in the wrong group, or simply want to clean up older content from your profile. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for. First, start by going to your Skool dashboard. This is the main homepage you see after logging into your Skool account. You can get there by opening your browser, going to the Skool website, and signing in if you aren't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see your community's recent posts and activity. Make sure you're looking at the correct community where the post you want to delete was originally shared. Next, find the post you want to delete in your dashboard. This might appear under recent activity, in your notifications, or in the community feed. Take a moment to double check that it's the exact post you want to remove. Once you've located it, click directly on the post. This will open the full post view, so you can see the entire content, comments, and any attached media. Now that you're on the post page, look for the three dots icon in one of the corners of the post. This is usually a small menu button that opens additional options related to that post. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A small drop-down menu will appear with different actions you can take. From that menu, click on the option labeled Delete. At this point, Skool wants to make sure you don't remove anything by accident, so you'll see a confirmation pop-up or message asking if you're sure you want to delete the post. This step is important because once you confirm, the post will be removed from the community and may not be recoverable. To finish the process, click on Delete in the confirmation window. Take a brief moment to be certain, especially if the post has valuable comments or discussions attached to it. After you confirm, the post will disappear from the community feed and from your dashboard view. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully deleted a post from a Skool community group. If you ever need to clean up more content, just repeat these same steps. Open your dashboard, select the post, use the three dots menu, choose delete, and confirm.